Alright, let me grab it.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Alright, we just started at the north side of the property, and here's one of the first food plots down in the valley where I actually missed my big deer this year.
We can sit together. It's okay.
Had a blind sitting down there, and he came up right up that valley right in there. Let's head back to the south. We're on the east edge of the property now, headed south. Them tall trees to your left is my eastern border. Got a trail going down the east side there. You can see on top of your screen, you can see the roof of a cabin and a pond back in there. That is the southeast corner of my property. We'll follow the trail system now. That pasture to the south is my border. Here is one of the micro plots we opened up and planted this year. So right in there, about the middle of your screen, I'm going to connect the two food plots, the one you see at the bottom and one at the top. I'm going to connect them this year and make this bigger. This was a hidden, secluded plot that I didn't know existed until last year, where I had that picture of me and the skid steer and brush hog back there. Got that opened up, and we've seen quite a few deer off that. Now we're headed back to my southwest corner. Which will be about right in there where them tall trees start. That should be my southwest border. So we'll cut back up. Got a lot of work to do on this farm yet. That's going along my western border. Then right here in this area, right here, I'm going to open up about 2 to 3 acres, hopefully, for another food plot. This property is super thick with brush, thorns, scrub trees. Now we just need to get some food in there. Show you another plot I've seen a lot of deer on. some mixed cedar trees throughout the farm. On part of that field to your left at the bottom edge right there. Now we're heading back to the beginning of the property. Got some more trails to open up. A lot of work to do this year, but we'll get her whipped into shape.
All right, let's rock and roll.
All right, let me grab it. Down. Just put the sticks down. There you go.
Or do you use the